How to use Notion widgets on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and long press on an empty area of your home screen. This will activate jiggle mode, allowing you to edit and rearrange your apps and widgets. Now, tap on Edit and tap on Add Widget at the top. Tap on the search bar and type in Notion, then select it from the results. You can now see different types of Notion widgets available. Swipe to find the page widget and tap on Add Widget. Now, tap on it to configure its settings. From the pop-up, tap on Choose next to the Page option. A list of your pages will appear. Select the desired page from the list. The widget is now set up and will provide a quick shortcut to your selected page. Again, tap on Edit and then tap on Add Widget. Tap the search bar and type in Notion, then select it. Now, swipe to find the Favorites widget and tap on Add Widget. Tap on it to configure its settings. From the pop-up, select Choose, then tap on Done in the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily use Notion widgets on your iPhone.